So in this video, you'll learn how to make Google your default password manager on the Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you prefer using Google to save your passwords, or you want to be able to easily access the passwords currently saved on Google, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select Security and Privacy. From here, you want to tap on More Security Settings, and then you want to look for Passwords, Passkeys, and Autofill. Select it. Next, you should see this option, Preferred Service, and by default, it's set to Samsung Pass. So in order for you to switch to Google, start by tapping on this settings icon, and then select Google from the list. Confirm that you trust this service, and then tap on OK. Now when you go back, you can see your preferred service has been set to Google. So now, if you ever want to access your Google Password Manager, you can just tap on Google, then select Google Password Manager, and you can see all the passwords currently saved with the Password Manager on your Google account. You can always choose to also enable autofill with Google, so it means that whenever it detects an account that you have a password saved for, you can always just tap on the details and it will be automatically added, giving you a quick login. And so that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.